Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I thought that I would film my everyday winter makeup routine. I feel like I haven't recorded a makeup tutorial in a while, so today I'm going to do that and just show you the makeup that I like to wear for the winter time. So the tutorial that I'm going to do, I think I'm going to create a kind of bronzy golden eye, and I'm going to do a deep berry lip and kind of glowy skin for the winter time. So if you want to see how I'm going to create the look, please keep on watching. So for the winter, I've been loving using the IT Cosmetics CC creams, and I really like them because they have SPF in them. So that's really great for your skin on a day-to-day basis, and I just love the finish of these because they give you the best like full coverage, but it looks like you're not wearing anything on your face. So I love that, and you only need a small amount, so these tubes will last you for a really long time. Today I have the light medium, which is just the original one, and then I also have the medium, and that's in the matte formula. So if you have dry skin, this is a really great one, just the original one, and if you have oily skin, I would say go for the oil free. But today I'm just going to mix them just because I'm in between colors at the moment, and just to get my exact shade. So I'm going to just do like kind of like half a pump, or not even, of that, so you can see there's like I'm not using hardly any at all. And I'm going to do the same for the light medium, so it's a really small amount, and then just mix that on your hands. So I kind of just dot it where I need it. And then I'm using a foundation buffing brush. This brush is so nice and soft, and I love brushes that I don't need to spend a lot of time buffing into my skin, and just kind of works really quickly. Make sure you take it down your neck as well. Okay, and so for my eyes, for my under eye concealer, I love this Bourjois Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue, and this concealer is a really nice kind of smoothing concealer that highlights your under eye area and gives you kind of like a medium coverage or light to medium coverage, but it's perfect for during the day. And I'm just going to apply that kind of like that, maybe a bit here. I use the shade 52 medium. After I use the CC cream, I feel like it gives you a really good coverage, and I only used a small amount, but it just saves you time in not having to conceal a lot on your face, because it does give you a really great coverage. Now on to giving my skin a little bit of a glow. I'm going to use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I'm using the shade medium 4, and has this nice big doe-foot applicator, and I just apply this kind of on my cheekbones, on my nose, and I'm going to use my foundation brush and just blend that in. It's going to give you like a more natural glow. I think it's nice also, it's also really nice mixed in with foundation as well, and it's nice mixed into any kind of matte foundation to give your skin a bit more glow. Onto eyebrows, and you've probably already seen me use this product. It's the IT Brow Powder, and this is in the shade Universal Taupe. This is so cute. It's a mini one, and it's just like the perfect shade for every day for my eyebrows. And then after I apply that, I just brush my eyebrows up a little bit, put them back into place, and just hope that they'll stay there all day. Onto eyes, I'm going to use the Naked 2 palette by Urban Decay. And this palette has some really nice bronzy tones in there, but this palette is more of a cool based tone palette. So you have a lot of kind of lighter bronzy shades here. You have some taupe shades, and then you have some deeper kind of smokier shades as well, if you want to create like a smoky eye look. Because this is more of my daytime look, I think I'm going to create kind of like a cool toned smoky bronzy eye. And I think first of all I'm going to start off with this taupey color in my crease. I'm using this Deluxe Crease by Zoeva. Well, actually, before we start, I might apply a little bit of eyeshadow primer, because I always like to apply a little bit. Okay, back to that shade Tease. So I'm going to use the shade Chopper all over my eyelid, and this one is kind of like a medium brown. Has a little bit of like iridescence to it. I'm being very adventurous today. Instead of doing a warm toned eye look, bronzy eye look, I'm doing a cool toned eye look instead. So with that same Chopper shade, I'm going to apply that to the bottom of my eye. Now to create a little bit more smokiness just onto the outer corner, I'm going to use the shade Snakebite, which is a deeper brown. Just applying that to the outer corner. Then I'm just going to buff that out with this brush. Okay, now onto mascara, and I'm going to use the Hourglass Extreme Lash Mascara. This is currently my favorite mascara. I literally only apply one coat or two, and that's it. I'm good to go, and it gives you a really nice dramatic eyelash. During the day I usually apply like 1 or 2 coats of this. So that is my eyes done, and now I'm going to start with the cheeks. And now I'm going to apply a little bit of bronzer, and I'm trying out this new bronzer by IT Cosmetics, and it's the IT Bye Bye Pores bronzer. And you get this little brush with it as well, and a mirror. Oh, there goes the brush. So it's a really nice kind of medium toned bronzing shade. And what I'm going to do, instead of contour, I'm just going to bronze up my face. For blush, I'm going to use a berry tone on my cheeks, and I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury Beach Sticks in the shade Formentera. And this is so easy to apply, and just to go like that, and just use your fingers to blend this in. One tip I love to do is apply a little bit of blush to my brow bone, or kind of like into my crease, just to make the look kind of all blend in together. And for highlight, I'm going to use one by Colourpop, and it's in the shade Lunch Money. And this is a very kind of bright highlighter. It's like a very nice kind of champagne gold, and I'm going to apply a little bit of this to my cheekbone. And this is a really interesting formula. It kind of is like a cream, but it's in a powder, and it definitely dries as a powder. It's very interesting. Going to apply a little bit on my Cupid's bow, and just a tiny bit down the bridge of my nose. So onto the powder. Normally during the day I don't like to powder too much because I want to keep that nice dewy glow, but I'm just going to apply a little bit of this powder just to my T-zone. And just to set all of that in, I'm going to use a little bit of a face mist, and I like this one by The Body Shop, and it's the Rose Dewy Glow Mist. It smells so nice. My lips, I want to create, I think I'm going to create kind of like a berry kind of lip, and I'm going to use this Flower Beauty Petal Pout Lip Liner. Just going to use this to line my lips first. And then just slightly fill in my lips as well. Just use your ring finger to blend that in, to make it more into a stain. So guys, that was my everyday makeup winter routine. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and leave me a comment below. And I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!